Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So local security authority protection is not working, so how to fix? Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc slash scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Hi. So second solution is guys, click to start button and type registry. This is, so right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. So guys, local machine, then system, then current control set, then console, LSA computer, LSA. Okay, so guys, then right click, new, DWORD 32-bit. Okay, then type run as PPL. Okay, double click to value is 1, then okay, and closed. Okay,